Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is talking about NSUserDefault and how to implement it, and we will demo for example in your real case application. The first thing you need to do is understand what is UserDefault in iOS. The UserDefault is an interface to the UserDefault database, and where you can store a key value pair persistently across the line of your application. And what type of data can be stored in UserDefault? Actually, a UserDefault objects must be a property list, that is an instance of a collection or combination or instance of NS data, NS string, NS number, NS state, NS array, or NS dictionary. If you want to store any other type of object, you should typically choose it to create an instance of NS data. Okay, I think you understand. This is a short description, a short summary about the NSUserDefault. Okay, I will demo the real application case that you can use with the NSUserDefault. And here is my example application. And this application is, I want to talk about when we scroll the instruction page. You can say a walkthrough page. You can scroll like this for the first install application, but in the second open this application, we don't need to show the screen again. So we need to save the state for user that save the state the user already opened the application first time or not. But if the user scroll to the end of this page, it will show this screen. So the next launch or open this application again, we don't need to show the instruction or walkthrough screen, as you can see at the moment, but we bring the user to the screen. Okay, have you understand it? Okay, let's build it. Let's kill it. Here is application that I not yet set the UserDefault, so every open the application it will see this page because we not yet do anything. Okay, let's go ahead to build together. And here is my project and how we can use it. So we need to check condition when the application is already open first time or not. So we can save it when the user did scroll finish the flow. This means the user did scroll to end of the screen or the instruction screen. So in here, this is the block method that you can write the state to save the state user. So let's say here is how the UserDefault can be saved. And let's say default, we go to UserDefault dot standard. So after that, how we can save the state? I can say I set boolean value to sell true or false. If it's true, it means the user is already open the first time. So I can set. We can use the method set with the value boolean value. We can say true, and after that it is the key. So I can say is user already open key. So now I already set the true value to this key. Alright. So you can say, you can add another line. You can call default dot synchronize. So here is a method that wait for any pending asynchronous update to default database. You can see below description. So now we already set the value to this key. So how to check and retrieve it? Let's get back to the first launch application. We can check it like this. We can say if we can copy this, if default both for keys, means we read the boolean data from the key. What key? This key. From here, this means the user is not already opened the first application. So right here. What is this? Oh, sorry. 4. So after we can run it. Okay, right? So it will see like this. Let's take a look. Alright, so the user is already open and scroll it to the end of the walkthrough screen and see the home page. So after that, the next open this application, we don't need to show the tutorial screen. Okay, let's kill it and open it again. That's right. So it's not so the tutorial screen again. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and if you have any question, you can comment below this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. Okay, see you the next video.